Impact of the Tshwane strike, waste collection clearly affected, and desperate residents forced to make a plan.
I feel bad about this because it's danger to other people. You see, in front of other people's yard, there is a lot of bottles and there is a lot of dirty things. So now we are talking about the environment of people, how they inhale. They inhale bad things, dirty things. Why Municipal of Tshwane, they don't give every people that something that they want, because now it's affecting us as residents.
The dumping site caught fire. Luckily, emergency services were quick to respond.
I've lived here for 20 years in this area. I've never seen anything like this. It's absolutely disgusting. And at the moment there's a law in the country that you're not supposed to have any fires until the end of this month. There's supposed to be nothing burning. When I woke up this morning, I live a little way up the road here, you couldn't see out of your house. It was all just smoke. Because I think people have got fed up now, they've set it alight and it's just getting worse and worse.
Are you fearing for your safety as residents, your health?
Not so much mine, but certainly for children and for older people like the lady I'm with here.
For others, this means more money even if their health is at risk. The health risk that comes with this crisis is one of the biggest concerns for residents in this particular area. Some are worried about the safety and security of their properties. The fear and risk to property comes as some residents are now dumping outside of private property, which might lead to a fire hazard.
It's disappointing in Pretoria North municipality, because they're supposed to look after us and do our their job, because they are there for a reason and they're getting paid to do this. And there's a lot of things that sicknesses that's, how can I say, that our children and everything is going to get.
It's very bad here. If looking at it now, you can see even the neighborhood is not happy about this strike. And we don't know how City of Tshwane is taking it, because it's been a long time these things have been like this.
While a health risk is brewing here, in areas such as Mabopane, a water crisis is looming.
Estate outline, Block D, next to telephone exchange. People don't have water so far around the vicinity. Try to do something about this. We know people are on strike, but do something about this.
As the strike nears a month, more than 90 workers who participated in the unprotected strike have already been fired. But the biggest threat is on the lives of workers.
So at the weekend, we had an horrific incident where a member of the water team was attacked by a group of people who had earlier warned him and his team not to work. He ignored that warning. They then followed him home, shot him, took his car and left him for dead. Thank God he is alive. I visited him in hospital yesterday and he confirmed to me that the same people who threatened him not to work, in fact, attacked him. Waste collection is a major issue during this unprotected strike. It's important for communities to know that is not because of some unique service failure. It is an unprotected strike by SAMU affecting services across the city.
As Tshwane looks for solutions to the strike, SAMU members are not backing down. For residents, this comes with even more service delivery frustrations. Patricia Fasage, SABC News in Pretoria North.